It started with a single, almost insignificant investment. A small bet on a distant dream. Within years, that bet ballooned into a multi-billion-dollar gamble, promising humanity's next frontier. But this wasn't a gradual build, it was a race against the void, a race that was lost before it truly began. The year is 20XX. Elon Musk, already a titan of industry, unveils his most ambitious project yet, Mars City. Not a fleeting mission, but a permanent, self-sustaining human settlement on the Martian surface. Billions were allocated, with preliminary designs showcasing domed habitats, advanced life support, and even Martian agriculture. The timeline was aggressive. Musk, known for his relentless pursuit of seemingly impossible goals, secured massive private funding and assembled a crack team of engineers and scientists. Initial progress was staggering. Prototype modules were built and tested on Earth, demonstrating the feasibility of Martian construction techniques. Public interest reached fever pitch, fueled by stunning concept art and Musk's own charismatic pronouncements. Companies were contracted, resources were mobilized, and a veritable industrial complex sprung up around the Mars City initiative. The first unmanned cargo missions, loaded with construction equipment and essential supplies, were meticulously planned and launched. Each successful launch was hailed as a monumental step forward, reinforcing the belief that humanity was on the cusp of becoming a multiplanetary species. The political landscape, too, began to shift, with governments expressing cautious support and even offering potential collaborations. This was no longer just a private venture, it was a global aspiration. Then, a subtle shift. Whispers of budget overruns and delays in key technological advancements began to surface. The relentless pace started to strain resources. The sheer scale of the undertaking, once a source of inspiration, became an insurmountable hurdle. The Martian environment, far more unforgiving than even the most advanced simulations predicted, proved to be a relentless adversary. The dream, once so vivid, began to fade into the unforgiving Martian dust. The grand vision of Mars City now lies in the realm of what-ifs. What critical miscalculation turned a billion-dollar dream into a forgotten blueprint? And what does its silence tell us about our own aspirations amongst the stars?